Morning, friends. So my name is Vishal, and here is my channel. The name of my YouTube channel is My Education Right. So today's video, I'm gonna share you some tips of related to speaking in English. So let's talk about the people who have been doing practice since very long time, like 8 months, 9 months, 9 months, 10 months, and they are not able to get a result. So still now they are not getting any result till they're speaking, just speaking, and yeah, it happens with anyone, and some like the same happened with me as well. I just kept doing practice. I just kept doing practice 8 months, 9 months, 7 months, 8 months, and continuously 1 year. But guys, while doing a practice, just there are four pillars. I know that reading, listening, speaking, and writing. These are the four pillars. But you just demotivate, automatically demotivate that I'm not getting. I'm just speaking every day, speaking same thing, and I don't get a result. So it happens, guys. Don't be demotivate. Uh, demotivate because it's a part of learning, and somehow somewhere you will automatically feel, guys, after 8 months, after 9 months, after a year, that you are improving with your communication skill. Like you have, while speaking, you have learned many things. You are just if you go back and if you watch yourself, so then you will found that what you were speaking that time and what are you speaking right now. So there are, you can see the many changes in your communication skill. And the second thing is, which I'm going to share you guys, that while doing this, just I know that somewhere some step we feel it, but in that time just apply the second thing, which is very important. Like after 8 months, 9 months, when you feel that I'm not gaining, I'm not improving, so that time just take a gap for some time, and in that gap, between that gap, just read or just watch, just read, watch, and listen carefully. Whatever you listen, whatever you read, whatever you speak, just pay attention on that I'm speaking. But if I talk about the sentence formation, if I talk about the grammar, if I talk about the vocabulary, not, I'm not saying that you have to learn or you direct switch off to the advanced vocabulary. Just start to learn a basic vocabulary which we use everyday life. Okay, so while doing this, you will realize, after taking a gap of 3 days, 4 days, and I can say the 1 week, I will suggest you to take a gap for 1 week, and between that gap, learn many things. That just record your video and watch your video, that where you are doing mistakes in your communication skill, and watch those videos, which is not that there is no any advanced English, just the basic English. Because if you are able to speak basic English correctly, okay, if you got to know the base of English, so it would be not difficult to learn advanced English. That is why I'm saying again and again in my video that just focus on the basic first. If you learn basic, if you are able to speak in English like your native language, like every day, what you use every day, okay, so learning advanced English, it is not difficult, guys. It would be very easy for you. So just focus on that I have applied after 8 months, after 9 months. I just realized that I'm not improving. So what I did, just I took a gap, 7 to 8 days. What they speak, just I focus what they speak. Like just they are not using advanced vocabulary, but they know, they have a good knowledge, enough knowledge to sentence formation, the basic vocabulary, and the basic grammar. And I started to apply this in my communication skill. I try to improve little bit, and yeah, automatically it is a second stage. And then you keep doing like whatever practice you do, like speaking, listening, writing, and speaking, reading, writing, and listening. Okay, so it is helpful, guys, because you know that we are some of us that we are educated, like or some of us, they are not educated. They just 10 standard, 11 standard, 12 standard. So we know we don't have anyone that will going to guide us. Okay, that is the main problem. So no problem, just always motivate by ourselves, always motivate by own, try to apply a new thing, effective thing. Just think that what the way, effective way that I'm gonna apply, I will going to apply in my practice. So it will work, guys, it will work. Just and just you're doing same thing and just doing same mistake again and again. And actually it is like it's like, I can say that just we are doing nothing. We don't have I will say that like we don't want anything. We don't want anything. If we want anything, if we want to improve ourselves, So we have to implement our way, we have to apply the new ways in our practice of speaking in English. So apply it, guys. And I did. And earlier I used to do many jobs, but right now I'm working in a telecom industry. I had given many interviews, and I was selected in one company. There is a good, this is a good company, so I'm just doing practice every day. And even I'm not able to um, even I'm not able to record, I am not able to make a videos on conversation videos. But I did not give up, and I did not give up, and I haven't left my practice ever. I just keep learning, and yeah, I always try to apply new things. I try to implement. I try to apply new things. I always think that what would be the better ways of my practice for my practice. So you should do, guys. I know that when you are a beginner, it is very difficult. But beginning stage is very important. That stage, like beginning stage and intermediate, the stage of intermediate, it is very important that you should not give up after becoming intermediate. And you will automatically feel that I'm a confident speaker. I'm able to speak with anyone, like a foreigners or Indian people. So do it, guys. It's a part of practice. Don't be demotivate. Always motivate yourself, and try to apply new things in your practice of speaking in English, and keep learning, guys. That is this experience I wanted to share with you. That's why I'm here and I recorded this video. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe my channel. And you will see I will give you many things to you, that which would be the basic ways, which would be the basic things that anyone can apply in your communication skill, or in your practice. And yeah, you can also watch my conversation videos. And yeah, thank you. That like, share, and subscribe my channel. Then bye.